All this jewelry ain't no use when it's this dark. It's my favorite part. We see the lights that got so far. It went too fast, we couldn't reach it with the wrist on the wrist of liquor.
Alright guys, I'm finally awake. Sharika has been awake since Jesus days. What time now? I don't know, but yes, my morning start later than Sharika's. So me just wake up and start get ready for go work. Sharika wake up and make breakfast because like she eat breakfast. Sorry about the quality of this phone. It is not a regular vlog phone. It is like a budget phone I'm gonna buy. So yeah, I guess this is my my day. We'll see how it go.
If we could see in 2020, twice we could see it till the end. We gon' pipe up and turn up. We gon' light up and burn up. Mama too hot like a what? Mama too hot like a furnace. I got 100 G's, I'ma go yard. My diamonds on.
Alright guys, so I'm about to drive out now. I want to get nothing $10,000 ticket, so I will be vlogging my journey to work. I will just check in back when I'm at work, showing a little bit of what I got before I start work. So yeah, see you guys soon. Yeah, morning again guys. As I can see, me at work, yeah, we reach at work. But when I think me did at work, and I just me at work, so me go towards my location now. But late to reach 8 o'clock. Well, I don't know if fault of mine still, cause never find out early enough. So yeah, see if we can show no what go on. Little bit of what I do throughout the day. I'm not gonna know anything. Alright guys, so I reached my location. Sorry about the angle. I'm supposed to record video on them today. My workplace, because based off of the nature, the type of work that I do, and so forth, I don't want to get enough trouble and so forth. So yeah, showing a little bit of work on still. Alright, so that me I do for today. No hard me I do today. Should have their warehouse today, but never call in, so you get a squeeze in over here, so me I go and do me have to do at the shift side. Yeah, me checking back with you later, showing how me I do again. The life of a stevedore. And I was Shadika about it. Alright guys, me up on a little adventure, you know. I got sort out something around at the office. I want a video for long because I don't want them call for me and send me a record, so I'm link on the next hour or so. Alright guys, yeah, I know I can't reach me. No. Can't reach. Oh, alright guys, I get what I come for. Piece of paper here, can't show no very important classified information. But yeah, I see if I get a drinks for drink, you know, because a 10-minute me a walk from Rona when me located to the front of the building. It is a long walk, so me I'll refresh and go back around again for the next 10-minute walk.
Think you got a baby, now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Flew the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it.
Alright people, so at lunchtime you know, so I go back around when we're supposed to work, but I get moved go somewhere else with today, so I did park around this so I just go back around other side, you know, get me lunch, you know, cause married man life me I live, you know, so shall cap up my lunch and things so that I don't have to spend no bag of money, so I go for my lunch now, so I go check back in, you know, when I go around. I never get to check in back when I reach around with the paper them and things, so no record, you know, so couldn't get the chance it, so I'm gonna go back around still and just link on back. Alright, so this is the journey be even half it, so when we reach, as I said, I'm show to the back, so just I go and show now how the place look. I took a little lunch in the microwave. Yeah, I have to eat food and then go back around. They don't really rush to go back around. I'm on them shirt this time, so we put the shirt. We used to can't rest off in so but in a hot summertime, you know, so we can't come in with a bun up. Yeah, so as I said, I don't really rush to go back around, so eat my lunch and go and chill out around us a little bit. And then go back over, go see what I go on, chill out a little more and then I go home, because really and truly nothing significant today on my location for do. I just the skid them may move so that them can take up the light post them. I'm go back on my show because I never think my show the light post. My teeth and show what I go on. Now I go video long, but I just show the light post them so that you don't have a really understanding what the forklift them are going with the truck them when we did show them earlier. Yeah, so check on the back in a little bit. Alright guys, so man, the angle don't look good. But anyways, what I mean. Yeah, so yeah, we eat my lunch, come back on the work side now. As I did say before, I just go and cool out until 4 because not much are really there for me to do. I just the forklift and the truck them I work me we just like take up the skid them. The skid them I just board, loose board by the ground. I just kick them out of the way or take them up and like every 2 hours I do that still, so we don't really have much for do. So we just there I go and cool out until 4. So I guess when I leave, me will check back in with you guys and yeah, so that's what I did today. Kick a board. So I never know much. So probably tomorrow I can show you a little bit of what I do at the warehouse. So we have an understanding of what my day-to-day job entails. It's not normally this, it's just me get a 1 day over the ship side today because me never call in. So instead I just stay home now and do nothing there, so I do this. So I still have a paid day. So yeah guys, when I go home but me check in with you now. Hopefully Shadika day more exciting. See you later.
17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it.
Alright guys, so we're ending off the day. Yeah. It is what? It's like 5:20 or something like that. We're done at 5, usually promptly. But circumstances change because it's not my normal. Yes.
Yeah. Normally, when I reach home, I almost reach home and get ready for give them my end of day speech. Get a phone call, so go pick up the Shadika because mommy at the airport. She better bring back a bar.
Okay then. But yeah, guys, the work day done. May I eat back a tear off? But I'm okay. Are you okay, honey?
Yeah, if I'm not nothing to do. The people them say I know, I be sit down and look for water and look and get load.
How nice.
I try to feed as much as I could because I'm not supposed to. So
I mean, I don't think any of us.
The little clip them what we get, we have to just make deal with them.
Yeah, and I wanted to do some more. Like, me want video. I'm going to lunchroom. Me want video. What the fat yo Jamaican road them no show. Anyways, yeah, I wanted to video when I was going over to the shredder and all them little things, but of course I can't really do that. So I don't think my allowed, I'm not sure. And you know, still you know nobody in your business too. That's the next thing as well. So we'd have to just do what we'd have to do. But we're on our way home and then we can just wrap up. Like for the morning I realized that doing it, I was saying we could have made a more detailed version to do like a morning routine, something like to that extent. So I didn't include everything for the morning, but I mean if you guys are interested in a morning routine, comment down and you'll get that out as well. This is our, I guess, 9 to 5 day. Today is Monday. It's a Monday.
Oh, babe, if I'm driving this car down, this is black up.
Black up how?
Traffic long.
No, I think this service is better.
Because this is more the free floating reach out on him.
That's what I say to worse, right? This is something I said down.
Can you sit down, is it?
Not at least, baby. Alright, so we're going to listen to some music. I'm really and truly tempted to go buy some ice cream because like this is not it.
Wait, you want an